Hey everybody, it's Barnes Life, Georgia edition, and I'm doing another project. We're tiling where the mirrors used to be in the bathroom. Okay, so this is what I got. This is a 50 by 36 area. You had a big ugly wall mirror there, and we want to tile that area and make it look nice, and then hang a wall hanging mirror on there that looks better than the builder grade mirror that was there. We just had new countertops and cabinets put in the bathrooms and new countertops in the kitchen. So we're trying to do some upgrades, and that's what this video is about. So this is what I ended up with cutting the tile, 36 by 50, and it should fit that big white patch on the wall perfectly. So this is what we have in the way of materials and supplies that we need. I got a little measuring bucket, has quarts on there, and I'll show you in a minute when I get ready to mix the mud for that. We'll need that for sure. Then we got these QEP is the maker. I got them from Home Depot, and they're called lash tile leveling wedges, and it's a two-part system. That's the wedge, and this is the part. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually goes, that part goes behind the tile, and the wedge goes in there, and that level, it keeps the tile, the top of the tile level with the top of the next tile that's next to it. So I'm gonna try that. I got a bucket of water and an empty bucket for the mud, and the actual mud here is this Ardex, and what it says on there is let's see if I can show you. It says use 5 to 5.5 quarts of clean water per 40-pound bag. This is a 40-pound bag. Okay, so I got what looks to me like 2 3/4 quarts of clean water in this little bucket, and I'm going to pour it into my mixing bucket. Okay, so I also have this drill and a mixing paddle. That's the only one I got, so that's gonna have to do. Probably should be a more heavy-duty drill, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I got a good charge on the battery. All right, now I just have to add the powder and mix it. I think it needs to be thick so it can stick to the wall good, and the tile won't fall down off the wall. Okay, so this is what they gave me at Tile and Stone Express for this particular application. I think it says 1/4 by 1/4 on the bag of Ardex, but they assured me that this would be okay. So 3/8 square stainless steel trowel, and that's what we'll use to apply it to the wall. Okay, so I'm gonna pour half the bag in. Actually, you need, really should have one to get the drill going. One to stir it. Okay. About half a bag. Right there. And I'll put the whole bag. I think it's gonna take the whole bag. Okay, so I think I'm ready to start putting some of this on the wall. Let's see. I'll start notches. So I hope you guys enjoyed the time-lapse video. I'm definitely not a tile guy, and thanks to my lovely assistant, my wife, Lisa, for helping bring all the tiles. So it went a whole lot easier with her helping me, and I appreciate that very much. And hope you all enjoyed the video. These things are pretty cool. I'll show you how they operate here. So those little things, I'll get one out. Okay, these things, the piece that looks like an H goes underneath the tiles, and this piece that I'm holding on to pokes out of the crack. And then you have the wedge, and it has those little notches on it, and it gets hung up in that square, and you click it down, and it makes all the intersections level with each other. So I thought that was pretty cool. And they work, looks like they work pretty good. So I just got some touch-up painting to do right above there. And I think after the grout, it'll be done. I'll post some pictures. I may wait to post the video until I grout it and get everything finished, and I'll take after pictures. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.